What is a good way to extract dominant colors from image without the shadow? Is it possible to extract the true color of building facade from a photo / a set of similar photos and removing the distraction of shadow? Currently, I'm using k-means clustering to get the dominant colors. However, it extracts darker colors. If the building is red, then the first color would be dark red, as there are lots of shadow areas in real photos. Any suggestions are greatly appreciated. Thanks in advance.
You could simply ignore the shadow areas by only evaluating areas of a certain brightness. I suggest you make yourself familiar with the SHI/HSL/HSV color models. This URL. Understanding this should help to solve the problem on your own.
If the shadows cover a significant part of the image, then this problem is non-trivial. If the shadow is a small fraction of the area you're interested, though, you could try using k-medoids instead of k-means, and as Piglet mentioned, using a different color space with separate chromaticity and luminance channels may help.
Ele o VAT, o server, para ser subscrito.